So peeps, I did a video recently about the 8 most influential and wealthy persons in Jamaica. Now, many persons that watched the video had a statement to make that I've been observing. Why so many white people are panic? What happened to the wealthy black Jamaicans? See? And then persons have also taken it further, said them topic they discuss them and a bag of something. See? But you see, hypocrisy, I hate it. You understand what I say? I'm not going to talk some things this morning, and those are some things that people are probably going to find controversial, but I mean, so be it. You see me I say? Many of these persons in Jamaica who are wealthy and are not of dark complexion, just like anybody else, they would have sacrificed, they would have struggled, they would have failed, they would have put in the work to achieve what they have achieved. Is it possible for blacks to sacrifice, to fail, to put in the work, blood, sweat and tears and achieve? Absolutely. I am of the opinion that blacks, especially in Jamaica, I look on the Jamaican context, I don't want to broaden anything. Jamaicans as a whole blame everybody else for them failures except themselves. I'm going to repeat that. Jamaicans as a whole are always blaming everybody else for their own failure than themselves. How do we do that? How we make ourselves fail? Nobody make us fail. See? I'm going to show you now why persons of a particular complexion, people of specific races, are doing better than Jamaicans when we forward. My soon circle. So peeps, as you saw, there was a illustration on the whole crabbing barrel mentality. I mean, it's kind of cliche and played out, but it's a fact, and that's so we as Jamaicans stay. You understand me? I say, no, I could put some context. When we look at the Indians, we look at the Chinese, we look at the Jews, we look at other races that are in Jamaica who are in business, who are doing exceptionally well. Let me tell you one of the things that help to push those people. Family. When you go in a Chinese store, everybody, most of the people, 90% of the people who are working there are Chinese. It's a family thing, because in a family where there's unity, there's strength. Nobody can tear down because everybody in the family have your back. Nobody can sell you out because everybody have your back. Jamaicans will not do that. We're more into strangers than our family. I suppose many of us have bad experience with family still, but just make a point to you. Watch this now. People of Chinese descent, them support them one another. Them buy from them one another. Them trade with them one another. Blacks, Jamaicans do that. The Jamaican man go buy it from overseas, he go buy it from the Chinese, he go buy it from the Syrian, he go buy it from the Indian. He now buy it from the next Jamaican. So how to prosper? How grow when we're not supporting each other? See, watching now, the Jamaicans are in a business. If they must sell something where they are Jamaica, them prefer import it. Well, them going to tell us it's cheaper, which is, it makes business sense. You understand what I say? But if we're so into black elevating, why then we're not supporting each other? You understand what I say, peeps? Look into it, you know. See, watch this again, you know. In the other section of the country where people of a particular skin color are do well versus blacks, the thing about it is because they're wise. Jamaicans spend most of our time and watch the next man. We spend most of our time and chat the next man, instead of spending our time to develop our product, to market our product. then what we are complaining about? Yes, I agree, say some of these persons have specific descendants. Some of them family, them would inherit money from family who would have inherited through slavery and XYZ. Let me talk about the slavery thing, you know. When the Europeans went to West Africa, a few hundred Europeans versus millions of Africans. Let me tell you this. If the Africans had resisted the Europeans, there would be no slavery. Our own African ancestors sell we out to the Europeans for guns and gold. And you say it's starting on peeps, and we down so, and we are going, oh, they were the slave masters. How did they become the slave masters? How did they manage to ship millions of Africans in the triangular trade and through the Middle Passage? How? Why the Africans just lined up and said, oh, come ship me? No, it was the Africans who were the kings of Africa sold out their own blacks into slavery. You don't see white man sell white man in slavery. You don't see Chinese that sells Chinese in slavery. So then now, how can we be blaming everybody else for our own failures in life? I don't like it. I think it is hypocritical. You understand what I say? We need to stand up, and that's one of the next things where I kill black people too, you know. We don't take responsibility for nothing. Everything is somebody else's fault. When will we rise up and wise up and realize that we are hold on with self? Nobody now hold with them, and we are fight with self, and we are hold on with self. Look into it, people. You understand? I know some people are coming in the comment section and now come give it to me. But if you just sit down and look and listen to me, I say, you realize you are true. We need to stop blaming everybody else for problems them and blame ourselves. First solution to any problem is admitting that there's a problem. And if we can't admit that we have our own problem, we will never find the solution. Alright, watch it again now. Many Chinese live in Jamaica. Many other races live in Jamaica. You don't see them people that go around and kill them one another. I know some people are going to say teach and say some of them crime, there are some rich white boy there behind them. No rich white boy there behind them. Most of them, a black man there behind them, a fight the next black man. Him not for grow, him not for have no house, him not for have no car. As him get one house and one car, me go rob him. As him start build up a business, me go start extort him. How we for grow? It's a white man that do that. How we for grow? So we need to dash with that mentality there, and that a kill we. You understand? And the people when have that mentality there, right now, I feel like I couldn't forgo it too.
Them a preach and preach, the poor but they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
If you have a thing we call in Jamaica, quote unquote, bad mind, grudgeful, envy. No man now look and say, yo, you know my brother acquire that thing that I can acquire it too. No, we don't want him to have it, we take it from him. We set him up, we kill him, we rob him. Then we expect how we grow and then we blame everybody else for the problem. Me would not come here so and say, yo, some of these persons of other race are having Jamaica's best interest at heart. Some of them don't. See? But at the end of the day, are we nurture it, are we facilitate it? Because here we go. And for example, you as a Jamaican visit one tourist attraction. I guarantee you say 99% of the time, the person who is white will be treated differently from you. You go to one hotel, 99% of the time, the person who is white will be treated differently from you because we're frightened for white people. We're not glad to see one brothers and sisters, we're glad to see white. Well, I suppose they must spend US anyways. So people are happy to see them and them look at things that we are talking about. I guarantee you say, yo, if you drive on the road and you're broke down and you're there the sidewalk, see? If one next white smelly, if somebody white broke down near to you too, people are more inclined to stop and help a white person and help you as a black Jamaican. You see me I talk about? Them is something me I talk about. So how is it the whites are the problem and we are the problem? We are the problem. And that mentality they want to have to blame people for everything. seeing all our disappointments, our failures, our shortcomings, and if we stop. Because we don't help perpetuate nonsense. Blacks were as responsible for slavery as the whites were. People are going to run me away for that, but look into it, no man. You understand what I say? We are responsible for our situation. Many more Jamaicans could have been, black Jamaicans could have been wealthy. Many. But we spend with time, I think about crime. We spend with time, I think about figure rob and kill our next man. We don't spend with time, I try to build with family strength, and invest with family in a business. How we are going to grow? How we are going to walk out from that? Yet still we get up every day and I talk about a bag of foolishness. See, the Chinese, they own most of Jamaica. The government will sell so much things to black people. And watch this again, you know, the same people them will get up and vote for year in, year out, and them sell out the country. Your people can't buy something if you don't sell it to them, you know. It cannot be bought if it is not being sold. Who sell it? The same politicians them who will jump up in a road for and fight for and quarrel with the neighbor for and kill the people them for, and them a sell it. And we still a vote for them. And a white man a sell it to white man. A Jamaicans a sell it to white man. Peeps, you know, I can't tell a person and talk about this for the whole day, you know. But I don't want to bore no more. But as I say, we are the biggest problems as black people, as Jamaicans. Not Butch Stewart, not Michael Leachin, not Joseph Matalan, not Issa. None of them. And we are the biggest problem. We are the biggest problem. And you know the next thing about it, them people who get up on a cuss, they provide thousands upon thousands upon thousands of jobs in this country. Many of us eat our food from the table because of them people. Yet still, them disgust with. And we give them the strength, and we give them the power. Yes, probably not all of them acquire their wealth through legal. I know that's controversial too still, but that's how you think go. You understand? But them wise and we not wise. Them eyes open for your eyes closed. Gone. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.